The contamination of the fiber end face in the machine room will inevitably increase the transmission link loss and reflection, which will bring various faults to the transmission, especially the impact on high-speed network transmission. Pollutants are like obstacles on the road that will block traffic, making high-speed transmission signals difficult to move and even signal interruption in severe cases. In the maintenance of the network room, even if a completely clean fiber optic connector has just been inserted, dust and dirt will often migrate again due to the residue on the inner wall of the adapter ceramic tube, or the inconsistency of the docking concentricity, and fall into the core area A and B area of the fiber end face, causing the fatal pollution. The most common is a ring-shaped pollution, coffee ring namely, formed by electrostatic adsorption during connector docking, which is a common pollution phenomenon. In order to reduce these costs of operation and maintenance, effective and reliable cleaning methods are very critical and important. So how can we clean more effectively to eliminate residues and electrostatic stains? Okay, let's try 3 methods following and figure it out. Method 1. Use Eternal EDV838 electric cleaner to clean the connector to be connected. Clean the whole end face, reach up to the ceramic area so there is no residue on the entire end face, and then use a Japanese branded cleaning pen for secondary cleaning. Put it in the number 1 fiber optic docking connector. Method 2. Directly use a regular cleaning pen. Put it in the number 2 fiber optic docking connector. Method 3. Directly use a Japanese branded cleaning pen. Put it in the number 3 fiber optic docking connector. We dock the cleaned optical fibers, let it stand for 5 to 24 hours, and then check the condition of the fiber end face. In the first method, the number 1 fiber optic docking connector, using the Eternal cleaner plus the Japanese branded cleaning pen, the fiber end face is still the same as when it was just cleaned, and there is no pollution in the visible range. In the second method, the number 2 fiber optic docking connector, using regular market cleaning pen, there is obviously a coffee ring pollution at the fiber end face connection. In the third method, the number 3 fiber optic connector, using a branded cleaning pen to clean it. After the 24 hours, it can be seen that there is still a slight pollution circle outside the A and B core area. Through this experiment, it can be found that, for the cleaning of the fiber end face, the fastest and safest way is to use Eternal cleaner plus 1 branded cleaning pen to complete the full end face cleaning. Find any interest? Contact us today for more info.